Here are my thoughts on what has been a slow deterioration of the Black family. It is heartbreaking and at times it's disheartening. We have the highest percentage of single mothers at 65%. 65%, y'all. That means that 65% of single mothers are Black. The Black race has the most fatherless children. Over half, at 57%, over half of our children are fatherless. I want Black men and Black women to understand is this: we need each other. We need one another. We need to value one another. We need to respect one another. We need to honor one another and understand. If you don't understand, you must learn to understand the other's position and their role in life and get to know what makes them who they are. This is for both parts. When are we going to put aside our egos and stop pointing the finger and work on healing whatever is broken within ourselves, within you? When are we going to stop blaming one another for what has hurt us in the past? My Black kings, when are you going to stop tearing women down and begin to be part of the solution to healing? And my Black queens, when are you going to say enough is enough and stop emasculating our men and truly try to understand them instead of putting them all in a box? Men and women are both guilty of doing this, putting all of us in one box and saying all men or all women, all Black men or all Black women. When is enough going to be enough? That's my question. We need to begin to work on ourselves, work on our minds, work on healing. It's time to commit. It's time to commit to healing and mending that which is broken inside of you. It's time to commit and mend what is broken as an individual and collectively as a community, so that we can begin to build again. Because you see, if we don't, the system that is set up to destroy us will surely work one day. Let me ask you something, brothers. How can you hate your sister and love yourself? Let me ask you something, sister. How can you hate your brother? How can you hate your brother and love yourself? Here's the truth, y'all. It is impossible. It is impossible, and I'm going to say this again, it is impossible to do both at the same time. Those are my thoughts.